Morocco will become first Arab country to operate F-35 Lightning II. Consistently being an ally of Washington and having close bilateral relations with Israel, has apparently borne sweet fruit for Morocco, which is said to be the first Arab country to receive approval to purchase F-35 Lightning II stealth fighter jets, after the United Arab Emirates UAE failed because it was considered to be coddling with Chinese espionage. As quoted by the French-language portal, Identite Juive, identitejuive.com 11/22/2024, Morocco is reportedly trying to become the first Arab and African country to acquire the F-35 Lightning II stealth fighter jet. The U.S. Department of Defense is expected to finalize an agreement for the delivery of 32 F-35 Lightning IIs, with an estimated cost exceeding $17 billion over 45 years, including procurement and sustainment. If confirmed, the acquisition would expand the Moroccan Air Force's inventory, which is currently focused on F-16 Viper fighters. Negotiations for the F-35 procurement took place between 2020 and 2022, with Morocco seeking Israel's help in facilitating discussions with U.S. authorities. A November 2021 meeting between Israeli Defense Minister Benny Gantz and Moroccan Defense Minister Abdellatif Loudiyi was cited as a key factor in advancing the negotiations. In addition, rising territorial tensions between Morocco and Algeria, especially over the Western Sahara conflict and Algeria's support for the Polisario Front, are considered major factors driving Morocco's interest in the F-35. Added to this, news of Algeria's acquisition of the Russian Sukhoi Su-57E Felon stealth fighter jet also influenced Morocco's decision. Algeria has reportedly signed a contract for the acquisition of 14 Su-57s from Russia as part of a wider military agreement that